What's good, guys? It's Combat here at Infinite Rhythm Productions, and this is the official tutorial for the sample version of the Pro Tools stock Telephone Effects expansion pack. Now with this expansion pack, this could be imported into any Pro Tools session as long as you guys have stock plugins, whether it's one of the presets we have from the Clear Vocal series to the Essential series, or whether it's one of your own sessions at home. It could be imported straight into your session to get those dope telephone effects.
Combat, this a banger, huh?
Alright, so when you first download the sample pack, you guys are gonna get this folder right here. It pretty much just has the one telephone effect right here in this session, and we have a readme that pretty much takes you to this YouTube video you see right here. So the first thing we're gonna do is open up our session. Alright, so we have our session open over here. This is a song by John Mack. I'll play it out real fast.
I ain't never been the type to put paint where it ain't. What they act like I'm a sucker. What the fuck do niggas think? You ain't never.
Dope. And this template that you guys are seeing right here is actually from our Clear Vocal preset series. In particular, this one is the male rap warm preset. Comes with this full template right here, and just get your vocals sounding right. All right, awesome. So I'm going to show you guys how to import that telephone effect sample. All we're going to do is we're going to hit Option Shift I. That is pretty much importing session data. We could also go over here to import the session data. We are then going to go and find the sample preset that we have. We're going to go into the Macintosh, users, combat, desktop. We have the sample pack right here. We're going to double click. Now this sample pack comes with one preset, so we're just going to click that, hit OK. And as you guys can see right here, we have the regular ad-lib track that comes with the preset already from the Clear Vocal series. We're just going to play that out so you guys can hear that.
Ain't where it ain't. What they act like I'm a sucker. What the fuck do niggas think? You will never catch me acting like my shit don't never stink. I say a part of being a man is to admit to your mistakes.
Dope. And we're going to drag this down. Now, a quick thing to mention, this telephone effects presets, they're super compatible with my Clear Vocal preset series and Essential series. Saying that, they automatically go to our verse subs already, so it's already going to all these other plugins we have over here. If you guys want it to go to your guys' Vox sub, just make sure, or your output, just make sure you guys change it right here to either one of the buses or one of the outputs right here. Right now, it's going straight to the verse Vox sub, so it's perfect for us. Now I'm going to play this out.
Put paint where it ain't. What they act like I'm a sucker. What the fuck do niggas think? You will never catch me acting like my shit don't never stink. I say a part of being a man is to admit to your mistakes.
So that is the sample version of the telephone effect right there. I'll show you the original one before that.
Ain't where it ain't. What they act like I'm a sucker. What the fuck do niggas think? You will never.
Now I'm playing the new super reverbed out version.
Where it ain't. What they act like I'm a sucker. What the fuck do niggas think? You will never catch me acting like my shit don't never stink. I say a.
Now that was really cool. It just gives you a different type of texture and sound. And if you guys like that and you guys are really liking this preset right here, I'll show you guys the full version real fast just so you guys know. If you guys were to get the full version, this is what it would sound like. All right, awesome. So this one, so the full version actually comes with 5 presets. So we have 2 main vocal ones, one for singing and one for rap. We have an ad-lib super reverb, which comes with the sample pack, a distorted version, and also a clean version. So I'm gonna play all those back to you again. Here's the reverb one.
They act like I'm a sucker. What the fuck do niggas think? You will never catch me acting like my shit don't never stink. I say a part of being a man is to admit to your mistakes.
Here's the distorted version.
Type to put paint where it ain't. What they act like I'm a sucker. What the fuck do niggas think? You will never catch me acting like my shit don't never stink. I say a part of being a man is to admit to your mistakes.
And here's the rap clean version.
Ain't where it ain't. What they act like I'm a sucker. What the fuck do niggas think? You will never catch me acting like my shit don't ever stink. I say a part of being a man is to admit to your mistakes.
And if you guys want to use any of the main singer and the main rap ones, this is what this would sound like.
I ain't never been the type to put paint where it ain't. What they act like I'm a sucker. What the fuck do niggas think?
And here's the rap one.
I ain't never been the type to put paint where it ain't. Where it act like I'm a sucker. What the fuck do niggas?
So these telephone effects expansion pack is like perfect for any, like you just want a certain sound, or you want the little telephone effect here, maybe for a bridge, maybe for a breakdown, maybe the ad-libs, you want different types of textures for different songs. This is the way to go about it. It can connect to any of our Clear Vocal series or Essential series. So you guys already getting clear vocals with different tones now, different textures, so it just makes it super easy for you guys with just a drag and drop. All right, awesome. So that concludes our tutorial today. I hope this really helped you guys out. I hope this sample really does something for you guys, and if it does, please feel free to get the full version. If you guys are liking the way this template, this preset looks, please feel free to check out for the free template that we have for this, for the Clear Vocal series. It's at www.infiniterhythmpresets.com. I'll make sure to have the link in the description. And if you guys have any other questions, please feel free to contact contact me on Instagram at combat_K. You could also find it in the link in my description. And if you guys could like, comment, and subscribe, that'll help me out a lot so I can continue to help you guys out. Let's get it.